Hi everyone, and welcome to our new semester. My name is Sierra. I am in my first year field placement at Marikey of Sharon Hill, which is a community-based mental health facility. When I am there, I assist in co-facilitating an IOP group that consists of 10 to 15 adults who have coexisting mental health diagnoses and who also have substance abuse issues. I also see individual youth clients. I hope that this course better assists in my understanding of trauma and how to treat trauma, in addition to how to recognize the signs of someone who is experiencing or who has experienced trauma. Trauma studying is very relevant, especially as a future social worker. The understanding that I will obtain from this course will allow me to teach my clients ways to manage their trauma, manage their emotions, how they're processing things, and hopefully in the end make them stronger. 3 ways I will take care of myself this semester are to take time to meditate, which I love, do activities that I like, such as catching up on all of my shows, which I'm sure we all have trouble with, especially as our lives get busier and busier, and also spending time with my family, who I am very close with. I hope everyone has a great semester, and I look forward to working with you all. Thanks.